Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 122. An equilateral triangle has a perimeter of 12 feet. A circle is constructed with a diameter equal to one side of the triangle. What is the area of this circle in square feet? So we have to know what is the given information. So of course we have the equilateral triangle perimeters, okay, and then we have to find the areas of the circle, and then they know that the diameters is equal to one side of the triangle. So here we have the equilateral triangle, mean they have three sides equal to each other. Okay, the perimeter mean the length around the shape. So we have, if we have the side of triangle, I will call it S is the side of triangles. Okay, the diameters is D. Okay, D is equal to R, it's twice of the radius. And we see it's constructed the circles. Okay, so this is the centers. So the whole length right here is D is equal S. Okay, and then this one is R, and R is the radius. Got that? So the diameter is D. D is 2R equal to S. Or you can say 2R equal to S. S is the side of one side of the triangle. So the perimeters of triangle is you added three sides of the length, right? So we will have is equal to each other. So the perimeters of this equilateral triangles, that will be 3 times 1 measurements of a side. That will be equal to 12. So it's easy to find S by divide both sides by 3. So we have S is equal to 4. So we can write it down here. If S equal to 4, then the diameters of a circle, of this circle, is 4. So this one also equal to R. Now we have to find R. We divide both sides by 2. So that we have R is equal to 2. Okay, so we have the formula for the area of the circle. So area of a circle with radius R, that equal to pi R square. In this question, you can use the fact that this is equal the diameters, and then you can use this as well. Pi, as you know, R is D divided by 2, R square. So in that case, you don't have to find R. Okay, so let me put in here. So pi, we find r, in this case, r equal 2 square. That equal 2 square is 4 pi. Okay, and let's say in this one we have pi that equal to d is 4 divided by 2 square. That equal pi. Okay, 4 divided by 2 is 2 square. That equal to 4 pi. Okay, so we write our step in once, just kind of plug in what we have. So the correct answer in this question is 4 pi. And you know the step of d divided by 2 is you finding r. Okay, so you have d equal to r. If you divide both sides by 2, you will have r equal d divided by 2. It's the same thing, right? Because at the end, we have the same answer. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.